And meron tayong 5 major types ng ledgers or account types, no? One is yung asset, no? Yung asset, ito yung mga cash on hand, accounts receivable, inventory, prepaid expenses, ito yung advances natin to suppliers, no? Our fixed assets, ito yung mga asset basically, no? Anything na pwede mong ibenta or i-liquidate, yun yung asset. Then yung second type, yung liability. So ito ngayon yung mga utang natin or accounts payable. Susunod yung equity. Ito naman yung net worth natin, ano?
Yeah.
Statement of asset, liabilities, and net worth. Yung net worth, yun yung equity. Siya net worth because pag binenta mo lahat ng asset mo, then ililes mo lahat ng, babayaran mo lahat ng utang mo, yung natira doon, yun talaga yung pera mo, no? Then meron tayong tinatawag na profit and loss account. Yun yung revenue, another account type, and then expenses. Yung expenses, ito yung mga raw materials, labor, salaries and wages, no, administrative expenses, operating expenses, no? So yun yung 5 major types of accounts. Now, it's important to know this because every time na may transaction ka, sabi nga natin, purchase journal, cash receipts journal, disbursement, kailangan mong i-identify dito anong naapektuhan na account.